name is Amanda Jones, and education is important to me because of passion. Passion in education as an early age for me started with performing arts. I was a dancer from the age of 3 all the way up to college, really, and I had a passion for it. I wanted to be on New York. I wanted to be on Broadway. I wanted to be an amazing dancer like I saw the Katherine Dunhams of the world, learned about them growing up. What I didn't feel, and I'm from Arkansas, and Arkansas is a part of the South. We don't get a lot of culture. We don't feel that we are a part of that larger performing arts history. And so one of the things I really wanted to do growing up was move to New York and dance. And what I did was, in the summer between my freshman and sophomore year in college, I went ahead and I did that. I moved to New York and I danced for Alvin Ailey. And when I got there, there was just this abrupt reality that I had to face, that education in Arkansas from a performing arts standpoint was just not there. It wasn't at the caliber of every one of my classmates. I thought I was good and I really wasn't. And so I have a passion, and I hope that you do too. If you have passion in something that you love, that you enjoy, that gives you invigoration, go after it. And we have to remember that we need to bridge that gap. If you see someone in your area that doesn't have education or access to that education in that area, go after it. Teach them. Take them to the classes that you found. And then spread the love. And that's what I hope to do one day, is to spread that out and make sure that that gap is bridged for Arkansas.